Have you ever wanted to reorder items in a SwiftUI list but weren't sure how? Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So this is the application we'll be creating today. SwiftUI List with some images and text. So if you want to reorder the items on the list, just click on edit. And then to reorder the actual items, just click on the right hand side of the list and drag it up or down as I'm displaying here, and then your list selection will be saved persistently using app storage. So this is the application we'll be creating today. We will now add the edit button after line 92. Button action with animation. Is edit mode active equals is edit mode active dot is editing so if edit mode is active, then make it inactive, else make it active. The next thing we need to do is to add our label for our button. We add the actual label using an image within the HDAC. System name is edit mode active, is editing, check mark dot circle fill, else pencil dot circle dot fill. Dot foreground color white. Text is editing, text is edit mode active, or is editing. So the caption will be done or edit. Headline, foreground color dot white. Dot padding dot frame max width infinity dot background is edit mode active, is editing. Color green else the colour will be blue. Corner radius is 10. Padding navigation bar title fruits display mode large, and then we call our on a pair method. And then we need to implement our two methods, which are save fruits and load fruits. So the first method we'll implement now is save fruits. And the purpose of save fruits is to save the position of the fruits within the list when we move the list. When we move an item in the list from one position to no further position. So it saves it. So it makes sure that the saved position is persisted. Try JSON encode fruits. So we save this to app storage. Save fruit data equals encoded data. And then we have to go back to the comment on line 32 and call that method, which is save fruits. What did I call it? It should be called save fruits. I made a mistake there. Yeah, so it's save fruits. And then, now the fruits have been saved, we need a function to load the saved fruits. So to restore the saved fruits from user defaults, function load fruits. It's a little bit similar to the function that we just done. So I just copy some of it, paste it here. Instead of using encoded fruits, we need to use decoded fruits. And then we need to use decode to decode our fruit array. Since in app storage it can return more than one fruit, so this will be stored within an array or retrieved from an array within app storage. Fruits equals decoded fruits. Now I'll just compile it. There's an error on lines 127. Decodes, open brackets, fruits. Just type that again, decodes. You type that again and see if it works. Open bracket. Oh, that's what it is. This should be JSON decoder. We also need to call load fruits from dot on a pair. So now let's run it and see if it works or not. So now I'm going to try to rearrange the list items by moving them. Click on done. As you can see, pineapple, banana and mango, they're the last three at the bottom of the list. Click on done. And now I'll just rerun the app again, just to make sure it's being persisted. As you can see, the items, they have been persisted. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.